Nissan's heavy reliance on fleet sales has undermined its brand image, resulting in diminished consumer loyalty. This has allowed competitors to introduce innovative models that successfully attract buyers, rendering Nissan's strategy significantly counterproductive. Amidst the rise of electric vehicles, Nissan finds itself trailing behind its competitors. The absence of hybrid or plug-in options in its lineup restricts its appeal to eco-conscious consumers, raising serious concerns about its future in this evolving market. The Nissan Leaf, once celebrated as a pioneer in electric vehicles, has fallen behind due to its outdated technology and features when compared to rivals like Tesla. This stagnation poses a substantial threat to Nissan's overall market position. Persistent issues with Nissan's continuously variable transmissions have plagued the brand for years, leading to numerous complaints and legal challenges from disgruntled vehicle owners. This ongoing dilemma has created a detrimental cycle for the company's reputation. The repercussions of former CEO Carlos Ghosn's financial misconduct scandal have severely impacted Nissan's corporate governance and public image, leaving the company reeling in confusion. This leadership crisis has further eroded consumer confidence. In an attempt to boost sales, Nissan has resorted to aggressive discounts and financing options to attract buyers, albeit temporarily. However, experts caution that such strategies could inflict long-term harm on the brand's image. The average net profit for Nissan dealerships in the US has plummeted by an alarming 70%, significantly affecting their operational viability. Dealers are now faced with the challenge of selling vehicles at cost, leaving little to no profit margins. Nissan's market share in the US has dwindled to just 1.9%, resulting in substantial unsold inventories. This predicament compels dealerships to implement even more aggressive sales tactics to mitigate losses. To rejuvenate its brand and product lineup, Nissan has introduced the ARC strategy, which includes plans to launch 7 new models by 2026. This ambitious initiative aims to enhance competitiveness and restore consumer confidence. Despite its historical success with the Leaf, Nissan has struggled to maintain innovation in electric vehicles, lagging behind competitors like Ford and Tesla. This hesitation to evolve represents a critical challenge for the company's future. Nissan's sluggish response to the electric vehicle revolution could provoke a crisis of brand irrelevance, as it risks losing market share to more agile and technologically sophisticated competitors. Addressing this urgency for innovation is essential. Concerns regarding reliability, particularly with Nissan's continuously variable transmissions, have tarnished the brand's reputation and eroded consumer trust. Such complications compel customers to consider alternative options. The Ghosn scandal exposed severe flaws within Nissan's financial practices, culminating in a loss of trust among stakeholders and a downgrade of the company's credit rating. This has consequently fostered significant instability within the organization. Nissan's partnership with Renault has been strained in the aftermath of the scandal, resulting in heightened tensions and a possible reevaluation of their alliance. This jeopardizes access to shared resources and market presence, both critical for Nissan's survival. In response to declining sales, Nissan has initiated an aggressive marketing campaign featuring substantial discounts. Nevertheless, this approach carries the risk of undermining the brand's long-term value and profitability, particularly as dealerships grapple with reduced margins.